Hi guys, good morning again. This is your coach online Rakitera aka Mami Seska. So, actually this is a quick video, no, impromptu na video ko kasi parang marami nagre-request kung paano ako nag-start as VA from real estate professional to virtual. Paano ako nakakuha ng clients and all that, parang in a short span period of time. Pasensya na medyo bulol-bulol na. Wala pa kasing tulog and all that. Para makapag-start kayo sa work from home VA journey, first is hanap kayo ng platform wherein you can apply working from home. There's a lot of platform online based on experience. Ang trinabaho ko lang na platform is si onlinejobs.ph, Upwork. Ang pinaka-favorite ko is si onlinejobs.ph po. Si onlinejobs.ph kasi user-friendly at the same time madaling mag-apply. So, ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is to create an account sa onlinejobs.ph po. Kapag nakapag-create na kayo ng account doon, parang kailangan mo improve yung ID proof mo. Kailangan yung account mo ma-verified siya. Pag okay na yun and all that, pwede na kayo makapag-apply sa onlinejobs.ph. Kapag you're ready to apply na, mag-apply po kayo during evening kasi buhay sila nun. Kapag umaga kayo nag-apply, umaga, tanghali, hapon, hindi sila buhay nun. Tapos hanggat wala pa kayong client, I suggest to apply every day. May mga certain points po yun, nare-reset yun every day. If masipag kayo mag-job hunt sa onlinejobs.ph po, there are some na kapag nag-search ka, meron doon nakalagay na please click here to apply. Tapos parang may certain forms that you need to fill out. Yan, pwede po yun. And hindi mababawasan yung points mo kay onlinejobs.ph kapag ganun yung ginawa mo. Another thing, email here to apply, yung mga ganon. So, same thing, hindi mababawasan yung points mo kapag ganung klaseng application yung gagawin nyo. So, yun lang guys. Nag-quick video, parang tip, meron kung paano ka makakapag-start ng work mo as a virtual assistant or whatsoever na gusto mong niche para makapag-start ka ng work from home mo sa online. So, ayun lang. Good night, guys. I'll go ahead and sleep na kasi kakatapos lang ng shift ko at umaga na po. Like my page, VA Seska. YouTube ko, VA Seska din. Tapos sa TikTok ko, Seska Marie. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye!